This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders Trap Team without a portal. Many fans wish to revisit the Skylands, but the game was never officially released for PC. The only way to experience this adventure on your computer, without the physical portal, is through emulation. This involves using special software to replicate a console's operating system, allowing you to run the game on your personal computer. To begin, you'll need to choose an emulator. Cemu, designed for the Wii U, is a popular choice, often praised for its smooth performance when running Skylanders Trap Team. Alternatively, RPCS3, a PlayStation 3 emulator, can also run the game, though some users report it might be less stable. It's important to note that Dolphin emulator is generally used for earlier Skylanders games, not Trap Team. Once your emulator is set up, the next step is to configure the virtual portal. Both Cemu and RPCS3 offer an emulated portal function, which eliminates the need for a physical peripheral. This feature lets you digitally load your favorite Skylanders figures and traps directly into the game. Remember, you will need to obtain the game's ROM files and the necessary console firmware independently to proceed with this setup. Before diving in, there are a few important considerations. Game performance can vary greatly depending on your computer's hardware, so a powerful system is beneficial. While Cemu generally offers good stability, some players using RPCS3 have experienced occasional game crashes. Lastly, always ensure you acquire game ROMs and console firmware through legal means, adhering to copyright laws in your specific region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.